Hello and welcome to DIY Tech Haven. Today, we're going to build an ESP32 base data logger for a Deye Hybrid Solar Inverter. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an ESP32, ESPHome, and Home Assistant to monitor your Deye Hybrid Inverter locally, without relying on any cloud services. This setup has been tested on Deye SG03 and SG04 series inverters, and it may also work with other Deye Hybrid models, although those haven't been tested yet. You'll be able to view real-time data such as voltage, current, power, battery status, and energy production. And in some cases, even adjust important inverter settings directly from Home Assistant. Here's what you'll need for this project. A Deye SG03 or SG04 hybrid solar inverter. An ESP32, any version with available UART pins, such as the ESP32 Dev Kit C. A MAX485 RS485 to TTL module for inverter communication. A working Home Assistant setup. And an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector, commonly known as a LAN cable. Let's start with the hardware connections. First, connect the MAX485 module to the ESP32 by following the wiring diagram on screen. Make sure all connections are correct. You'll also need to solder the D and RE pins together on the MAX485 module and connect them to GPIO2 on the ESP32. This allows the module to switch between transmit and receive modes. Next, cut the Ethernet cable on one end and extract the 3 wires shown in the diagram. Make sure the wire order matches the reference image exactly, then connect those wires to the MAX485 module as shown. Now let's configure the ESP32 using ESPHome. The base configuration I'm using comes from the Slip06 GitHub repository, which is actively maintained and regularly updated. Depending on the RS485 or TTL module you're using, you may need to adjust the ESP32 pin assignments. Don't forget to update your Wi-Fi credentials and any other device-specific settings. I've included a direct link to the sample ESPHome YAML file in the video description so you can easily follow along or use it as a starting point. Once everything is configured, flash the ESP32 with your updated ESPHome settings. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the inverter's communication port. Depending on your inverter model, this will be either the RS485 or BMS port, refer to the images shown on screen. If you don't see any data coming in, double-check the RJ45 wiring. You can also safely swap MPPT-A and MPPT-B if they were connected incorrectly. Now head back to Home Assistant and open your ESP device. If everything is working correctly, you should see the sensors coming online and updating with live data from the inverter. All the essential sensors and entities are already included, so you can start monitoring right away. From here, you can create a custom dashboard to track power flow, battery status, solar production, grid usage, and more. For advanced users, you can also send this data to InfluxDB and visualize long-term trends using Grafana, giving you deeper insight into your system's performance over time. And that's it. You now have a fully local ESP32 data logger for your Deye Hybrid Inverter, running smoothly with ESPHome and Home Assistant. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future DIY tech projects just like this one. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one here on DIY Tech Haven.